more than one time, more than two times, more than three times. Me wear the shoes. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. Today I want to give you a story time. I don't know how well I will bring this out. I've never done a story time before, but I'm gonna try and do this one for you. So I hope you will enjoy listening to it. But remember, guys, if you are watching me and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And you can go over to Instagram and follow me at charms_lifestyle. My business page at the Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidre's Fashion District. And please put the post notification bell on. When you subscribe, that you will be notified when I post my next video. Okay, so let's move over in the video now, guys. Me go downtown one time and buy one pair of shoes, and go home with the shoes. No, you know, so when you buy things, you have to look on it and to make sure say everything alright with the shoes, don't it? And all of that needed do. Yeah? Anyway, me go home with the shoes and me wear the shoes more than one time, more than two times, more than three times. Me wear the shoes and not do the shoes. The shoes not feel nowhere, the shoes not look nowhere. This particular day now, me take up the pair of shoes, guys. I go clean it off and wear it. When me take up the pair of shoes, when me clean off, the first foot I clean was the left foot. I clean off the left foot. After cleaning off the left foot, I'm going to clean the right foot now. Something caught my attention. I then realized that the right foot of shoes look a bit bigger than the left foot. Anyway, me say, but no man. So me take up by the left foot of shoes now, guys, and me turn it over and me look on the size, because the size still under the bottom. That I say 8. So when me turn over the other one, I look at it, I said 9. So me I say, but how this will be? And me did look at it when me I buy it and I did the same size. Guess what? I overlook the size of me now. Maybe because me see the shoes and like it so much, me overlook the size, and then guess what, guys? Me can't carry it back, you know. Me can't carry it back because the shoes almost mash up, because at too much time I wear that. You gonna carry it back, nobody now gonna change that. And who to tell? Maybe the first one was so like that. It was so like that before, and them just put them two dead together to make it as a pair. Maybe who sell me the shoes no says a 8 and a 9, but them just want to get rid of it. I'm just saying. So me couldn't do nothing. Me have to continue wear the shoes till it mash up, don't it? I'ma wear it till it mash up, and me never tell nobody say one of the shoes are 8 and one are 9, and nobody never take notice of it. So I wear the shoes until it mash up. That was my little secret. So me just share it with Uno now. So tell me what you think about that story here. This is my first story time to you guys. I have so much more that I want to bring out. I don't know when that will be, but I will try and bring them to you, okay? So tell me if you like this video. If you like this video, you know what you must do. You know what you're supposed to do. So thank you all for watching this video.